The BluePie is a born and cloud company and helping different customers from different domains transform their businesses using data. Right. Our primary focus being retail, we've helped a lot of retailers transform businesses, improvise their business processes by just leveraging the power of insights that come out from the data. Right. F&P has been a little different experience, wherein F&P, though being e-commerce, it's a little different domain altogether. People actually go ahead and buy for their loved ones. It's a gifting platform, right? So identifying those drop-offs, optimizing that funnel, and leading to a better conversion ratio, and hence impacting the financial goals of the organization has been a key challenge. The systems have evolved over a period of time. For example, users trying to buy something, they have different channels. For example, there's a web application, there's a mobile application, there are offline channels. For example, people can go to the stores and place an order. They can just pick up their phone and call the call centers to place an order. So, integrating all these different systems in one go without having a jarring impact on the customer experience. Also, sending out campaigns with a latency which is as low as possible, right, has been very important and crucial here. The other, very creative thing that we did here was, along with the entire automation that we've built, for example, campaigns being sent out automatically, personalized, we've given significant capabilities to the marketing departments, and I would call them levers, that they can use these levers to tweak, tune the different aspects of a notification. For example, they can try out different images, they can try out different texts, they can try out different personalization parameters, and then send out the notifications to these people. So that's the key aspects of the entire solution. So building the solution in a manner which is future-proof, right, is capable of extending to different use cases, because CDP as a platform can be used for different use cases. For example, it can be used for recommendation, it can be used for website personalization, it can be used for search optimization, right? And all these use cases vary. Some are real-time, some are batch, some are near real-time, right? So building the solution around a typical architecture which supports all these use cases, whether they are current or going to come back in future, has been very important, right? So we took a Lambda-based architecture approach here, wherein some bit of the entire deployment is real-time, working on a serverless architecture. We've used Lambda, AWS Lambda here. We've used Firehose as well, right? Whereas some bit of it has been developed and deployed using batch processes. For example, there are Spark applications running on EMR. Right, that's how the entire solution has been built. Building the solution in a time frame of 6 months, right, and taking it live before the actual, one of the key events for F&P, Rakhi, comes, and leveraging that one particular event to show results of this entire application has been very important in this entire engagement.